I'm researching people in relationships in a changing climate, looking at the coffee sector, which is very vulnerable to climate change. So we've developed this project together, the coffee sector and the research team, which is very exciting. We're going to be looking at the coffee traveling from Burundi, being produced there in East Africa, and all the way to the consumers in Norway. And just seeing how people relate to each other, how people relate to nature in a changing climate while working with coffee. Now, what's also exciting about this is that coffee has been known for pushing nature and people to its limits in order to achieve the lowest possible price. But now there's a huge demand for, an increasing demand for high quality coffee. And I have this hunch that you can't really produce quality without actually starting to build relationships with people and nature. You can't push it to the limits anymore. So there's an interesting dynamic. And I'm going to be looking specifically at a very interesting project in Burundi that aims for community transformation. And they have quite a good and very nice intentions, and they work with people in a very different way. So we'll be looking at power dynamics and the relationships there, but I'm interested to see whether, when you aim for transformation, whether you actually adapt to a changing climate almost unintentionally, because you're creating change that is necessary, and relating to a changing climate is part of that.